I met Dr. Abdul Qadir for the last time on a flight. I was coming from Karachi to Islamabad. Dr. Sahib was also on the same flight. His security team was sitting behind us. Luckily, I got the chance to sit with him. He greeted me warmly. I asked him many questions for 1.5 hours. He answered honestly. At the end, I asked him, "Don't you feel sad about what General Pervez Musharraf did to you?" Dr. Abdul Qadir replied, "I was very sad in the beginning. I stayed in depression for weeks. Sometimes I cried because of my condition. I complained to Allah. I said, 'Oh God, I helped this nation. But what did they do to me?' Then one day I was cleaning my old bookshelf. I found a photo of my German teacher. I remembered something. When I was coming to Pakistan, my teacher tried to stop me and he said, 'Don't go to Pakistan. People there will not value you. You will not be able to do anything there. And if you succeed, they will make you a terrible example. Western powers will chase you. They will attack you. If you escape them, they will still try to destroy you.' I asked him why. He replied, 'Israel will never accept a nuclear scientist in any Muslim country. They will kill them one by one. If they fail to kill them, they will insult them in the world. Israel cannot allow any Muslim country to have an atomic bomb. They will follow you. They will not let you work, so your chances of success are zero. And if you do succeed, they will destroy your nuclear plant. They will make your own people insult you. So no one like you dares to try again.' At that time, I did not agree with my teacher, but later I saw his words come true. Many attacks were made on me. They also tried to destroy the Kahuta plant, but Allah wanted to protect Pakistan's honor, so Israel failed every time. These people are full of hate. They did not accept defeat, so they made General Pervez Musharraf insult me, but still they could not harm me. People still respect me. That respect has not changed at all. Iran made a nuclear plant in 2003. It could also make an atomic bomb. But in October 2003, Ayatollah Khamenei gave a fatwa, religious order, against the atomic bomb. He stopped the whole process. The Iranian government and scientists kept trying, but the supreme commander stopped them. After attacks on Gaza in October 2023 and on Hezbollah in Lebanon in September 2024, Iran finally woke up. It started working hard, day and night, for the nuclear bomb. But now it was too late. Israel knew that if Iran succeeded once, then it would be hard to stop. Iran could crush Israel. So on June 13th, Israel attacked Iran. The targets of the Israeli attack were the IRGC leaders, important army generals, and nuclear scientists. In the first attack on June 13th, Israeli missiles killed 6 of Iran's top scientists. After that, Iran hid all its scientists in underground bunkers, their mobile phones and internet. In the Iran-Israel war, 17 of Iran's top scientists were killed. The Israeli operations were very detailed and strong. On June 23rd, when Donald Trump stopped the war, Mossad, Israel's spy agency, found out that Iranian scientist Mohammad Reza Siddiqui was hiding in his village. Israel broke the ceasefire only to kill this one scientist. They targeted him in his village. Because of this, Donald Trump insulted Netanyahu and ordered him to stop the war immediately. On the night of June 22, America dropped 13,500 Ki-H bombs on Iran's 3 nuclear sites. These bombs were used for the first time in history. 125 planes took part in this operation. It was the largest American operation in human history. The goal was to stop Iran from making a nuclear bomb. America was mostly successful. Iran denied the damage, but Iran suffered a lot. It will take 5 years to return to the 2025 level. However, it is true that Iran had removed 408 Ki enriched uranium from its Fordo site. It was enriched to 60%. Iran can easily increase it to 90%, but for that it needs a working plant. Right now, Iran doesn't have one. Also, Israel killed all of Iran's top scientists, so Iran now lacks both technology and skilled people. This has pushed Iran far back in defense. Now look at the whole Muslim world. There are 58 Muslim countries. Our total population is 1.9 billion. Allah has given us many resources. We also have oil and gas. The Muslim world controls most of these blessings. We have built cities like Dubai, But we did not focus on defense. Even a country like Saudi Arabia gives $1,000 billion to the US for protection. But it does not spend enough on science and technology. If only the Muslim world had built a defense university together, and that university had created scientists like Dr. Abdul Qadir and Dr. Samar Mubarakman, then the situation would be different today. After the attack on Iran, the Muslim world would not have to look toward the West. We would not have to beg the US and Europe for food and medicine for Gaza's hungry and injured children. This is the result of our own foolishness. We are all suffering because of it. Remember this: Israel and its allies will never let scientists grow who can make the Muslim world strong in defense. They also won't let us develop the skills to take out oil, gas, and minerals from our land. They want to keep us under their control. And if someone like Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan somehow survives and rises, they will treat him the same way they treated Iran in June or Dr. Abdul Qadir in 2004. They, Israel and its allies, will either kill such scientists or shame them to make them a warning for others. I wish we could understand this plan. We should give more importance to science and IT in our universities. We should produce scientists who can compete with Israel in space science, weapons, and nuclear technology. And this is something we can do easily. Just think, if Pakistan, with a small budget and weak technology, can cut India down to size, can shoot down 3 Rafale jets, can destroy a system like S-400, and can hack India's whole electricity system, then imagine what we could do if Pakistan had proper universities and gave students the best science education. We could do amazing things. I wish the Muslim world would open its eyes. They should collect funds and build a university that gives the most modern education and works on the latest technologies. Only then can we face Israel in the future. We don't have much time. If we stop Israel by 2028, that will be great. Otherwise, we will have no choice but to beg and suffer.